I need you to stay. And let them see you shine bright.
Fuck them hoes. Hold on, wait 1 minute. Hold on, wait 1 minute.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video here on my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a room decorating with me video. This was basically just a basement. It was really messy. It was really just... So I do want to just kind of mention really quickly that I'm not fully done. To be honest, I'm never going to be really fully done with my room. I love decorating. I love redoing my room. I love like doing all type of stuff when it comes to like decorating, rearranging stuff. So to be honest, my room is never going to be fully done. But as of right now, I am content with it. It's okay. I have on a sports bra because I was working out, guys. But I like it. I think it's cool. I think it's cute. As of right now, I do need to get a couple more things. I need to get a dresser. I need to get a full-length mirror. I need to get this one thing that's going to go on the wall over there. And I need to get throw pillows. But that's not going to be for like another couple, like 2 weeks or so. And I don't feel like waiting. I've been filming this video since the beginning of April or like the middle of April-ish. I'm ready to freaking just upload this video. So I'm not really going to keep holding it off on it. When I am done like fully with it, when I get my dresser, all that type of stuff, I will be doing a room tour and I'll show you guys in the aftermath of that. But as of right now, I'm not fully done, but for the most part everything else is done. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, give it a big thumbs up. I love you guys so much, and without further ado, this video is kind of all over the place. Hopefully you guys enjoy it though. Let's get into the video. Okay, so above my vanity, I did not show me putting this up because it literally took me so long and I kept getting frustrated, but I put this lightning bolt thing up here.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't try nobody, green the trigger. Call up the gang and they come and get gang. Cry me a river, give you a fish. Bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a oozing. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a oozing. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too.
Alright guys, so I got my brother to help me out. He's right there. So let's try this again.
I take your breath from you. Bitch, I'm a dog. Beat down her walls. Hop in the fall. I said that nigga come cover me. I swear these niggas is under me. They hating the devil keep jumping me. Back rows on me, keep me covered, nigga. Yeah, my diamonds a choker. Holding up out with no hoes. Read the rule of diamond cooler.
Okay guys, this is how it's looking. I like it, but I don't at the same time. I kind of wish it would come down further because as you guys can see, like my bed, there's so much room right there. But I mean, I think that it's pretty cute, honestly. I think it matches. You can still see like the stuff at the bottom of the tapestry, which was what I was afraid of. I thought it was gonna be too big to fit that, but it actually fits pretty good. So I think it's good. And I just used like 3 push pins to push it up there or whatever to secure it. So that's what we got. So that's what we're going with. Guys, so I got a bunch of these. You can't even see it, but I got a bunch of these little like letter word things to go inside of this light box that I got from Target. I'm not sure my face will look ugly, but it lights up. So I'm gonna put some words inside of here. Yeah. It looks so cool. I literally love this nightstand. Okay guys, so this is how it's looking. It looks pretty cool. I think it kind of matches the whole like pink feel of it. That was actually just like locker decoration stuff, and I just put it over there because it keeps like miscellaneous things in there. And I don't know, I just thought it was kind of cute. I don't know why I actually put it there. Maybe I'll put something on top of it. But this is how this area is looking so far, and I really like it. guys, this is the finishing product for the bathroom. Nothing really too fancy about it. Just how it's looking, you know. The rug is down there. I have to put like all my hair products and stuff like that in there, or I may get like a little thing to put right here on the wall. But that is it. So we're done. Okay, so over here in the actual like living part, or the living room area, the couches were already here, and I just used the pillows that it came with. I'm gonna be ordering some pillows to go with it just to accent it more, but as of right now, that's just kind of how it looks. I have like an extra blanket right there because my brother sleeps down here because his room isn't done yet, and then I just put my little teddy bear right there because I don't know where else to put her. And then we have a little coffee table, which is just plain and simple. Nothing too fancy about this area for real. Okay guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. If you guys are new, make sure to hit the subscribe button if you like this video. A room tour will be coming really soon, so if you subscribe and turn on your post notifications, you will never miss out on another upload by myself. And when the video comes, you'll be ready for it. Like, you're gonna be ready for it. So make sure you hit that button down below. I love you guys so much, and I'm gonna go get ready for practice now. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Mwah. I'm not dirtying it up. You gotta be yelling at me on the video. Is it recording me?
Yeah. Got you, girl.
I almost just fell.
Oh, sorry, I don't care.
Billy. And that is. Stop texting me! Oh my gosh.
They take pictures just to show them to your bitches, so you can make them jealous.